Hi and welcome back once again to Dr. For You's channel. Thank you guys so much. Today I'm going to share with you how to make jollof rice the easiest way. I learned this from an auntie who was a matron and it always turned up very delicious, but it's easy and time saving. So here I have my oil. I just fried some onions and I'm going in with my tomato paste. So I'm going to just stir this tomato paste in and then fry the tomato paste for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, we are really going to fry the tomato paste for that amount of time because we really want it to fry. So on the other side of the stove, I have my fresh tomato and pepper mixture that I'm trying to simmer down. Guys, I'll leave everything in this sauce, what is in this in the descriptive box below. I'm just trying to cook it and then simmer it down. So our stew has been frying. I just added in some bay leaf to it and then I gave it a stir. Now I just went in with curry powder and then I'm stirring it. Guys, you need to stir this to prevent it from burning. You really need to pay attention to the stew. So look at how the stew is coming off. So here I added in some nutmeg to it and then I stirred it and I added in the tomato sauce that I was simmering down. I think part of the video I lost it. So here at this point I have already added in the tomato sauce that I was simmering down. So here you have to just give it a stir it frequently and make sure that you cook on a medium heat. So I covered it and then I will check on it time to time and then I will stir it to prevent it from burning. Guys, at this time our stew is coming off. So on the other side of the stove I have water boiling and then I'm just going to add in some washed rice. Yes guys, I'm going to cook the rice for about 40 to 50% cooked. We are not going to fully cook the rice. We're going to cook for about 40 to 50% cooked. You don't have to use a lot of water because you don't want your rice to be mushy. You just want the rice to, like, you are pre-boiling the rice for some time so that to catch your cook time. So here I found out that the water was too much, so I just went ahead and then took some of the water out. I just took some of the water out from the rice. Yeah, so here I'm just taking some of the water out from the rice to get the level that is perfect for me. Then I will just go ahead and taste for salt. If the salt is okay, then I'll cover it. Guys, you have to be mindful of the salt because you are going to add the rice to the stew, so you already have uh, uh, salt in the stew, so you have to be mindful of the amount of salt that you use. So here our stew is coming off nicely and it's almost all done at this time. So at this time our stew is almost getting ready and I'm using corned beef for this stew. You can add anything that you want. If it's mackerel, whatever you want, you can add it to it. So I added in my corned beef to the stew. If you have chicken stock, you can use chicken stock to cook the rice. I didn't have chicken stock, so I just went in like that. So this is how my rice is looking like at this time. This is what you want. It's not fully cooked, it's about 50% cooked. So now I'm just going to go ahead and then add in the rice to it. Guys, you have to pay attention at this time because you have to mix the rice very well for you to get the consistency. You don't want your rice to be done and then when you are serving you will see white particles in it. No, you have to like stir it very well for the stew, every part of it to like come off the stew. So here this is how it's looking like. I'm going to just toast the rice in the stew for some time. You are not going to add no more water to it. So here I just added, after toasting the rice for about 8 minutes continuous, 8 to 10 minutes continuous, I added in my chopped vegetables. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So I just added it in and then I gave it a stir. Yeah, guys, you need to stir the rice very well. You need to stir it very well for the stew to like mix the rice thoroughly. So here, that is how our rice is looking like. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of cold water on it, just a little bit of cold water on the rice, and then I'll go ahead and cover the rice with my foil. You can cover the rice with whatever you want to cover, or you can just use the lid of the saucepan to cover it. So cover it and then you put it, let your heat be on it, low to medium heat, not very low heat but low to medium heat. Like, you let the rice simmer. This is how the rice is looking like, guys. It's very delicious. You just need to make very nice stew. If the stew come off nicely, your rice will definitely be nice. So this is it. This is my jollof rice. It's very simple. It's not time consuming. So if you are in a hurry and you want to make jollof rice, you don't wait for your stew to get ready before you add your rice in. Parboil your rice on the other side and then add it to your stew. Then you got your jollof rice. Thank you so much for watching and God bless you.